Okay, Scott, here's the prototype. That's the bracket there. I've just got a battery sitting on top just to hold it steady, but these two brackets here with foam on the inside will go around the mast section. That's a regular camera, store-bought camera attachment here that's multi-adjustable with the regular 1/4-20 camera fitting on it. That's the servo mounted in my aluminum box, I guess you could say, or container that I built for it. That's the top of it. Here's the little servo controller. When it's in the center, light lights up. And this is the servo being controlled by the, go wide shot here. As you can see, gives me 180 degree. And then, if I set the little servo box, there's a little switch here. If I switch it to cycle on, if I rotate it slowly, it will automatically, without me touching it, cause the servo to cycle back and forth 180 degrees. Which would really be cool for starts. All by itself. And the only power you need, right now I'm just using a little battery pack that I bought from Radio Shack. Just buy this was a 4 battery unit. I converted to a 3. I had it laying around here. But all it is 3 AA pen light batteries for power. But as you can see, flip this camera out here. So that's the whole setup. And there it is, working on its own.